In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete Google Drive files permanently, including shared files. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by going to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're inside your drive, click on any file to select it. You can either click the trash icon at the top right or simply press the delete key on your keyboard to remove it. If you want to delete multiple files at once, there are a few ways to do it. The first method is by holding the control key on your keyboard while clicking different files to select multiple items. The second method is by holding the shift key, clicking the first file, then clicking the last file to select everything in between. And if you want to select everything in a folder, just press Control+A to select all files instantly. Once your files are selected, click the trash icon or press delete on your keyboard. If a confirmation prompt appears, especially for shared items, click Move to Trash to proceed. Now, to permanently delete those files, go to the left sidebar and click on Trash. Inside the trash view, click the empty trash button at the top right, then click Delete Forever to confirm. This step is important because files in trash are not permanently removed until you empty it. If you're dealing with shared files, there's something important to understand. If you are the owner of the file, you can permanently delete it without any issues. If you're not the owner but have editor access, you may still be able to delete it. However, if you don't have sufficient permissions, you won't be able to delete the file itself. In that case, what you can do is remove the shared folder or file from your drive. To do this, go to My Drive, Shared with Me, or Shared Drive from the left sidebar. Then right-click on the shared folder or file and click Remove. This won't delete it for everyone, but it will remove it from your view and keep your drive clean. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.